Dealing with brass pieces like this, I always hesitate trying to shine them up too much. It's easy to get the smooth brass to a really bright, shiny polish, but this knurled area, or any intricate area, if you try to polish it, I always worry that you're going to take off the tops of the knurling, and you actually want that for a grip. And it's going to be very difficult to get the grime out of the little nooks and crannies without, like I say, being too heavy with the abrasive. So I researched the topic and found a home brew that I'm going to give a try. Stick around, let's see how it works. This is all-purpose flour to thicken. Got to give it a few minutes for the flour to fully hydrate. Don't want to over-thicken it. Okay, that's thickened up pretty nicely. Also helps you clean your sinuses. Well, here it is finished, and I think it came out pretty close to great. As I look into the knurling, I can see little shadows of dirt here or there, but not a lot. And there's a teeny bit of discoloration here or there, but that's fine. I don't want it to look brand new, I just want it to look lightly used. And with a little steel wool, this would even look better, but I think I'm going to leave that the way it is. Very pleased. When I was doing it, the brass tended to take on a bit of a coppery sheen, but it did seem to rinse off when I was done. Probably spent 10 minutes or so scrubbing this with a toothbrush. It's a little tedious, but not too bad. And this piece came out quite well. It's shiny, and I didn't do anything to beat up the knurling. So it's got about the same amount of grip as it did when I got it. And here's the knob installed on the plane, cleaned up, shined a little bit. Here is the knob as I found it, and the knob shined up. I think you can see that came out pretty good. And here is the flat adjuster knob on my Stanley 9.5. Got a little bit of a shine on it, looking pretty good. Well, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and hopefully this might help you with some of your grimy brass in the future. This seems to be effective at removing the tarnish and cleaning the schmutz out of the intricate areas without damaging any of the details. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to catching you on my next video.